Hi, my name is Carla. I'm 14 years old and I'm one of the Shemakes ambassadors.
Hello, I am Lucia and I am 14 years old.
I am Blanca, I am 10 years old and I am an ambassador of Shemakes.
Hi, I'm Rita and I'm 13 years old.
Is that I have the ability to develop projects that I have not seen myself able to do.
Is not to be afraid to do things wrong, and it has also been to be able to meet new people and other cultures.
He is collaboration with others.
On Shemakes activities, I learned to be mindful and validate my skills.
I believe that everyone has the ability to develop activities regardless of their age and gender.
I think we can all do the same Shemakes activities because even if we are a different gender and we are different age, this doesn't change.
Shemakes activities can be done via and even if they have difficulties, everyone can do them with some help.
I don't think there's a difference between boys and girls when it comes to participating in Shemakes activities. I think we just have to be curious and open-minded.
Seeing that I have the ability to pass on my knowledge to others, and the fact that I feel heard, which was very satisfying and I would repeat, is what I like the most about the experience of teaching.
Was to be able to teach children the same as me by my project and also learn from them because although we did the same thing, everyone had their little tricks to do things faster or better.
I haven't had the experience to teach as an ambassador, but in the past I have shared my knowledge on workshops and I hope to enjoy that experience again. I want to do something that will have a positive impact on society.